Hi, welcome back again. On the market I found these really beautiful wires. What I will do is I'll make a frame by taking a huge piece. You just twirl it around. The wires are twined into each other, and now I will add some pins. The frame is firm and I think it's time to add the flowers. Beautiful dianthus. Some of the dianthus I use underneath the frame and others I put on top of the frame to create some more dimension. I've used 5 types of dianthus mixed with each other, and as a finishing touch I'm going to use these tifa leaf, and I will use it the other way around and they will dry very well. You don't really need to put them on water. I've never used the tifa leaves with a straight cut like this, and I'm quite surprised. I like it. I will finish it off with a piece of wire. Hope you got inspired and see you next time. Bye!